Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica Gilliams with Make 10K Online. I am here to review and teach you how to utilize a 10x income system to make money online. So let's get into the video. How to make money online and you're not a marketer. Marketing was never my thing. Marketing is still not my thing. I know how to do it in a sense of like I know who I'm targeting, but I just want to share the things that's been working for me and my other businesses and also this business as well. So let's get into the video. All right. So once again, I know you're here about the 10x income system. Please subscribe if you are not. I want you to be a partner. I want you to use my link below and I want us to win together. So I know you're here because you want to know more about marketing, make money online, but I'm going to teach you how to make money online with the 10x income system. So if you don't know about this system, if you're new to my channel, you're new to all this world, let me give you a quick rundown. So what is it? It is a unlimited commission program, right? You can make unlimited $297 commissions. And what do you need to make money online? What do you need? You need offer, you need a website, and you need traffic. It is so difficult to generate traffic if you're not used to using Google Ads or anything like that. So in this video, I do want to teach you some ways that I've learned to I'm having a brain block. Some ways to get traffic and to speak to your ideal customer without using Google Ads. So with the 10x income system, she is able to generate all the traffic for you with Google Ads. I want to teach you how to do it with not Google Ads because I don't know how to do Google Ads. I let her do it. That's her thing. That's why I'm a part of the system because she knows what she's doing. But I also want to make sales organically, right? I don't always want to rely on paid traffic. So this is what we are going to learn in this video today. So if you're tired of doing certain things online to make money, you're not getting results, you don't have to worry about that with the system. You really don't. It sells itself. There's no complicated setup fees. The commissions are crazy. People are literally making tens of thousands of dollars. Like I'm not lying to you, tens of thousands of dollars. I do have a Facebook testimonial video. Check that up here. Check it. Also check out the playlist as well, more about this 10x income system. So let's get into how to make money, right? How to make money without using Google Ads. I have seven areas to talk about. They're super quick, super easy. So you want to answer any objectives, right? Like what are the rebuttals? So for me, when I first saw this, I said, okay, it's a scam. It's a scam. It's a scam. I can't do this. I can do this and I am doing it, right? So, but on top of that, why can't I do it? What is it that I cannot do? I'm not a strong marketer, right? I don't know coding. I set up a few websites for my own business. They're not doing that well. Their SEO kind of sucks. I'm gonna be honest. I don't have to worry about that with this program. There's no setup involved. It is literally a done for you package. So when you talk with your customers, right, figure out what their pain points are, figure out what their rejections, their rebuttals are. Oh, I spelled that wrong. That's fine. We're going to keep it moving. Rejections, objections, that's fine. Figure out what they are and have a plan to rebuttal them. Unless it's, I don't have money, and you can still kind of find something to, to kind of get there. But if they say, I don't have the money and you know them, I will, not push too hard. Then you become salesy. There's always ways to make money online, and there's always rebuttals for these objections that people have. So next, be a problem solver. You just don't want to say, here, buy this, buy this. Like I said in the first point, figure out their pain points and figure out how to solve it. I don't have time to promote this. I don't know how to do this. I'm not great with computers. I don't know how to set up a PayPal Stripe. I'll help you. and I will help you. If you have any issues, I will help you. That's it, right? Be a part of the process, because once they sign up under you or under anybody, you guys are partners. You are partners. Show results. Show why this system is working. That's it. Show results. Not lastly, number 4, the benefits of the program. Never worrying about how to create a website. Never figuring out how to make a offer that sells. This offer sells itself. Never figure out how to drive traffic. Never get a copywriter to make sure that your copy is right. You ain't got to do none of that. Sit back and relax. You pay the $2.97 once, and you pay for ads. That's it. Or you can promote it organically. There, like I said, there's 2 ways to make money with this. Think about it, right? And then share your why story. I shared that in the very first video that I made with this channel. I didn't even have my link. I signed up. I believe I signed up on a Friday or Saturday, and I made a video on that Monday. And then I just posted it. I was like at work and I was on my phone. I was like, whatever. And you can see the quality is like so different. But share your why story. Let people see you as a human, not as a money marketer, push, 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 buy, 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 right? Your story will always resonate with someone. And your story is your ad copy, right? Why did I do this? I did it because, and I shared my story throughout this time, but for 3 reasons. I think I can kind of put it in that concise area. Maybe 4, but I will be pretty much unemployed, right? Not having a 9 to 5, because I always got streams of income, but I won't have a 9 to 5 for about a month, right? So I need income. I have money saved. I'm good, right? Like I'm not going to go broke, but why not secure the bag even more? Why not put the buckle on the Gucci bag, right? Why not? So that was one reason. 2, I love streams of income. I am tired of trading dollars for time, right? I know that's like a cliche saying, but I'm going to tell you what I do, right? So I'm a therapist, and I also have a therapeutic journal, and I'm also a photographer. All 3 of those components, I work. I shoot weddings, I do portraits, I edit. If I don't promote my journal, most likely it doesn't sell. It sells on Amazon here and there. But if I'm not actively promoting it, it does not work. And then I have a 9 to 5. That is clearly 9 to 5. You don't work, you don't get a check. And I needed something that was true passive income on top of everything else that I do. Now, I'm not going to stop doing other things and rely on this for sole income. No, because if I was better in marketing, maybe, but nothing is guaranteed, right? I think we learned it with the pandemic. Having more than one, I would say even have 4, right? And it doesn't have to mean income in your bank account at the moment. It could be investing in stocks or crypto. Bitcoin's going up. Yes, 62 now. If you are a Bitcoiner. I'm not a maximalist. I'm just a Bitcoiner. But always have ways that money is working for you. Put your money to work. Share your why story. And 3rd, I really just want to be there for my parents, right? Like I am not the only child, but I'm the only child between my mom and dad. They just had me. So if anything happens to my mom, like it's me, like I have to be there. So, and she was always there for me, right? Like that's my mommy. She loves me and I love her. So I just needed something where it wouldn't break my bank if she said, hey, Stank, I need an extra $500 because the car or whatever. Right? I didn't want to worry about that. So that's a part of my why story. Last 2, go into Facebook groups. There are so many Facebook groups where your clientele is already there. Like all you have to do is post the ad. Post the ad, start a conversation, share the benefits, right? And maybe your copy could be tired of not getting true passive income. Don't want to have to create a website in order to make money online. Don't want to create an offer to make money online, because this is all done for you, right? Need an automatics, completely done for you system, right? And you can even like boost up the coach. So this is like a 6+ or whatever, 6A. On top of talking about the benefits of the program, talk about the mastermind behind the program, right? This Coach Tabby D. So she's been on MSN, CB, what is that? CW, um, so many outlets. She's a millionaire, right? I mean, I feel like I don't have to say that, but she's a millionaire and she's doing it big and she has multiple streams of income. This is not her only job. This is not her only business. She's ran ads for multiple companies, multiple six-figure companies. She knows what she's doing when it comes to the Google ads. So you're 297, and then the money that you pay for traffic, it is in great hands with somebody that knows what they're doing. They know what they're doing. And the program, it's so new. Get in, get hot, grind, make the money, secure the bag, put the buckle on the Gucci bag, okay? Lastly, give back. Share your give back story, right? And it could literally be you made, 10,000 last quarter. I'm going to donate 10% of proceeds to a local organization, to start your own nonprofit, to your own foundation, whatever. Always give back. Have a have a heart of being humble, one, and want to see people win, but also give back. So here's another way to give back, right? You don't have to do a grand gesture, but let's just say if you know somebody is, they're kind of struggling for money and they have the 297, but they really don't have that extra dollars for the $60 package or the $110 package or even the max package, which is $200. I purchased that one. Won't you offer to pay that person's traffic, right? So they will get their money back times 1, 3, or whatever, right? That's another way of giving back. So that's my 7 ways to make money online with the 10X system without using Google Ads. 1, answer any objections. 2, be the problem solver. 3, show results, show the proof. 4, what are the benefits of the program? Why would this program benefit you? 5, share your story, be a human. 6, go into Facebook groups. Go to where people are already looking for what you're selling instead of selling to cold people, right? So like when I post on my Facebook page, everybody on there does not want to make money online. Everybody on there may not be interested in this. They may have their own system that's working for them and they don't need nothing extra. Even though this takes 15, not even 15 minutes of your life to do. Not even 15 minutes. But anyway, people may not be looking for that, and that's okay. Go to where the people are. Go to where your clientele is, where people are hungry, where people have questions about this one topic, which is make money online. Go to the people. And the last one, 7, give back. Give back because somebody gave to you. So you give back to help the next person. Keep an attitude of humbleness and honesty, and you have that passion. Thank you again. Remember to subscribe. Be a partner with me. Sign up with my link below. Comment, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.